Good morning, traders. I hope you're having a good day, and as usual, it's always a good day to do it. So, without further ado, let's begin. Well, for starters, we have already taken a trade in. We have actually missed a really good momentum in Bank Nifty, and we have taken a trade at extremely bottom of this thing. So, which was a really bad decision from my side. So, the entire thing lost, as you've seen in the thumbnail, was because of my wrong choices and decision in these trades. So let me explain you what did I do wrong in this thing. Well, for first thing, you could see the Bank Nifty has already fallen a really good amount of point, and my view on Bank Nifty today was a bit positive because yesterday it gave a really strong closing. Plus, Bank Nifty opened a bit gap up. If it was open to be a gap down, then I would have shorted this thing in the morning itself. But due to it open a gap up, my bias changes to a bit bullish itself. So I didn't short up at right point, and I missed a really huge point momentum, and I shorted at really bottom of this thing. Second reason why we failed to short this thing because was waiting for a bit retracement, because if you see observe the Bank Nifty chart on multi time frames, you could clearly see a wedge type of pattern forming up, which was broken today in this thing, and I was hoping it would retrace a bit upside and then we could get a good shorting opportunity, but it just kept on falling down. So that's why I waited for this much long momentum to happen. So that was a really second thing was the really bad thing because I waited a bit longer and I entered at the extreme bottom of the trade. So that was a bad decision from my side. Before we move further, if you're watching this video, don't forget to smash that like button. Comment down below if you have taken a trade in Bank Nifty and was it positive or not. So definitely comment down below. And tell me what were you thinking while taking that trade. And another reason, the reason number three, why I shorted rather than to go long or wait for some other momentum. There was a really good area from 35,800 till 35,600, 700, which was broken today by Bank Nifty in spot chart. So that was the main reason why I was pretty confident while shorting on the pretty at the bottom of the trade. I didn't expect that it might take a support even after it given a closing beyond the 35,600 level roughly around. So but that was the main thing which I forgot, that it might again take a support and might just form a pin and reverse upside. And so that what thing happened, that is the exact thing what happened. The Bank Nifty took support even after breaking down the level, and it regained the level as a support, forming a huge wick on downside. And then the second candle, this candle, it came down a bit and move upside and hitting a stop loss of roughly around 50-55 points, which could have been the end of this thing. But as I waited for so much long time, there was a FOMO in me, which I'm trying to control right now. That I do tend to take a bit early entry, early exits, lot of the time. So that is why I'm prepared trading. And as you see, I bought it again on the opposite direction, like a new trader. But it did move upside for a certain bit. You could see the momentum was there. The main FOMO was I shouldn't miss. I would have caught the bottom, and the Bank Nifty would have really given a good 100, 200 points, 100 at least 100 points momentum, which might recover most of the losses which I done and make a good small profit on it. But Bank Nifty, there is a really high chance that after a huge fall, Bank Nifty goes sideways. So based on that thing also, I want to buy this thing because there was high probability that my Bank Nifty would trade in 100 points range from here itself. So if I've caught the bottom, I could exit at pretty good top itself. So, but Bank Nifty didn't form that thing also. There was a huge another wick from upside, seller's pressure, and it got a stop loss from downside. So this is the point where we lost another 40 points, which brings a loss to a really huge point. So that's what the two trades we have taken. Hope you have taken and have a really good luck while trading today in Bank Nifty. If you do, don't forget to smash that like button. Comment down below what were the trades were you taken and what were you thinking at that time. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe and don't forget to press that notification bell so you never miss any update from us. And thank you for watching.